Okay, I'm going to show you Lenovo Legion desktop upgrade. You don't need to change the power supply. All the way to the 5070 Ti, it works perfectly. So I've already installed the 5070 Ti. We're going to try another thing. I was surprised because the power supply is only, because the CPU's put on efficient mode, the power supply is only 600 watts, but it can support up to 5070 Ti, which is 300 watt GPU. And you can see this actually works perfectly. So this is a 5070 Ti there. It's running off a single 8-pin, which has got a splitter by default from the Lenovo Legion. And yeah, so you can see, works perfectly. There we go. Started, and we can see also a demo of me playing Marvel Legends.